Macsonic TV repairs. We are here with this plasma. This is the real deal. This is the plasma. This is the TV. Yeah, the TV just clicking. Quick, 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 quick. You can hear it's clicking. This is a fault finding. You can hear that one. Then it cuts. So we unplug here. This is just a normal diagnosing test to diagnose the problem. So we are opening this bracket, and then we open again here. I think it's about four screws only. We remove this one, we remove again here. Yeah, plasmas are so hard because you see it's using the Y and Z SAS boards. That's the one that infect the picture, plus the buffer. This is for the real technicians. This is for the real technicians, not these jigga guys. Yeah, so like this now, I open here. So you see the voltage is from the power supply, it's supplying this board. Then it connects to this one, going to this one. So we need to unplug one. So we unplug this one. This one is unplugged. We need to power it again. So you can hear now. The TV is quiet. The TV is quiet. Then you switch it on. You put it back. I want you to hear something. You see? Then it's clicking again. It's going. It's cutting, so which means this board is faulty. If we unclick here, so which means the short is on this one. It's still clicking while I remove this one. I remove this one, and this one is still cutting. So this side, the left side of my buffer, is one that is faulty. So we are gonna strip it. Strip it and remove it. Yeah, because these TVs they can run for even 7 to 10 years without giving any problem. And when they die, they make sure they die. Yeah, you see how dirty the body it is. This one we need to clean it up. Yeah, so I take out the blower and then blow it quickly so that we can be able to work on a clean surface. So now we have to fix all the components, all the MOSFET drivers that are underneath, check them, replace them with original ones. Then the TV is good to go. If you can't fix it, you have to order this new board. Then you replace it. The TV is number one. Sharp.